Hello, welcome to Goodreads Advanced Search Web UI. If you have used Goodreads to search for books, you know it's not very convenient to look for books which are belonging to multiple genres and which have a minimum number of ratings, so you can ensure that they are valid books. That's why I have created this web UI for. So let's start with the installation process. The first step is the cloning the repository. We copy these steps. The repository is cloned. The second step is we need to copy the cookie from Goodreads. Go to Goodreads and press F12, or alternatively you can go right click and inspect. You go to the networks tab, refresh the page again, and in the very first one you go to the cookies and you copy this, and you go to the project folder which you have just downloaded and you create a new txt file, name it cookie, and you just store this cookie here. Now onto the third step. We want to build and run the Docker container or run directly. If you have Python installed, you can follow this step, run flask app directly, or we are going to follow the Docker process. We build the Docker image. It will take only a few seconds. And for the second step, make sure if you're on Windows machine, you change this path to a direct path, which is what I'm going to do. And we paste it here. Now we access the web application on localhost 5000. So here it shows us that we have total 21,000 books, which is what I've already scraped in the books JSON lines file. And you can see these are sorted by the average rating from maximum to minimum. But these are not very valid books because they have very few number of ratings. So we can set something like 10,000. And now we know we are down to 9,000 books which have from the highest to lowest rating from our data set, and further we can filter it based on different genres. If I go biography, I'm gonna get all the books 823 here which are all at least have biography as genres. They may have other also. If I go for biography and business, we can get like 54 books which are both in biography and business and have a minimum 10,000 ratings. Further, you can go and scrape further genres. So for example, we are gonna do anime. Just scrape it. We wait for this to go to completion. It's gonna download the first 25 pages of the genres page in the Goodreads, which I'll show you briefly. And Goodreads only hosts 25 pages. So this is the biography genre and we are on page 25. If we go to page 26, it's not really here. And if you go to goodreads.shelf, you can see all the different genres for which you can download these books. This download will take about 1 to 3 minutes. You can check this tab, which is also updated dynamically, to see which genres have already been downloaded. It's almost finished. Okay, so now we have the anime section here. Let's go and filter it out. We have 1249 books downloaded for anime, and we can see this. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoy this web app.